As you would have seen on last week's vlog, we were a little disappointed with the lack of promised hot springs in Montana House, so we headed south into the nature reserve via roads that just make you wish you were in a quick car, and you know what? We found one of the nicest places we've stopped so far. Will it bite? Whoa! It's got a well long tail. Will it bite? Whoa!
So we're on our way to Valencia today, but on the way we need to get some gas, LPG, because we're running low, and some water because we've got loads of dirty dishes that we weren't able to wash the past 2 days.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock.
Do you remember what we're doing today?
Oh, the water fast. We're not eating anything, we just eat water and tea.
Luckily I'm not hungry this morning, so that makes it easier. Maybe we do what we eat in a day and it's just nothing.
I went to that toilet over there and I wanted to flush it and I didn't close the lid and it squirted all the blue liquid all over me and I smell like a public toilet now.
It stinks. It's a twister, y'all. Whoa, it is.
When I'm in this town, look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Just stopped off at this beach for, well, it would be lunch normally, but you know, we're not eating for 24 hours, so it's for coffee. But look how weird this place is, this beach. It's like some sort of steps.
City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes.
It's 3:15 and we're both getting hungry and hangry, and we've just drove into this new place, Calp. And there's so many restaurants everywhere and smells of such nice food. But and then 1 minute we're like, should we go and eat? Should we just go and eat? Get some wine.
Nice cold beer.
But I'm like, no, we're gonna see it through. For the reasons of why? What reasons? Why is it we're doing it soon?
Because summer's here. No, well, I do it as a cleansing and detox, and yeah, to lose weight.
But this Calp is a nice place, so anyway. We're gonna try and park here for the night. It says no overnight parking, that's right.
So it's now 7 o'clock, day one.
Day one? There's only one day for me. No way.
Yeah, we are pretty ravenous and starving, and we're on our 3rd coffee now.
Curb out hunger with the caffeine. Finally it's bedtime. That means that tomorrow is Christmas. We can eat. 2.2 kilos. Zeus, get off. Get off. Zeus. We're gonna go, today hopefully we're gonna go up this. What? This. Later on today, maybe like the sunset. But for the moment, I'm gonna go and check out under this water. lovely. But it's too wavy now and it's disrupted everything, so I can't really see anything nice. So I'll just have a wee and back to the van. I've done 40 hours of fasting and now I'm going to eat finally. Not even that hungry, to be honest. And you're just still going?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, but still close.
We've come to an Irish bar because they're just great, aren't they? You find an Irish bar in every town in Europe, really. And we like them. I said we like them, me gusta.
Oh yeah, me gusta.
Sí, me gusta. Right, so Alexis Ren is in Barcelona, which we've just been to and then we didn't realise, now we've gone. But discussions come up, right? Apparently...
No, I didn't say. You said it. I didn't.
I'm too old to go to Alexis Ren's parties.
I didn't say that. You made it up. I just know.
Hashtag be yourself, hashtag never too old, hashtag party till you die. Hashtag if I'm going to go to the party, I'm going to go to the party, and if I was going to go to the party, I'd go to the party. If I was there, I'd go to the party. I'd be in bed by 11 anyway.
Hashtag I don't want to go to the party anyway.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And ding my bell, because you won't even know if I've uploaded a video otherwise. Cheers guys, see you on the next one.
I wanna drive a faster car.